Hey guys, Paul here. It's been about 3 weeks since we took delivery of this 2021 Model 3 long range, and since then I realized, every day I park outside in the hot sun, especially here in Southern California, the car battery level will drop about 1 to 3%, depends on the temperature of that day. So today I decided to go and install a tint on this Tesla Model 3. Let's go. As you can see, the car comes with a good tint and UV protection just over the top of the roof part until back here, but here it's still exposed on the inside, also on the side windows. After I decided I want to install tint on my Model 3, I did some search and sent out quotes to different tint shops around. I live in Inland Empire here in Southern California, so I think I sent out about 6 or 7 places, and surprisingly only half of them. So they came back and told me that they can do it. The rest, they said they cannot install tint on Tesla Model 3. Those that can do it, most of them came back with really expensive quote. Eventually, my wife found one in Riverside. It's called Socal Tint shop. They're also authorized installer for XPEL. We are here at Socal Tint shop. So right here they do window tinting, paint protection. Also, you want to wrap the car, and chrome delete. That's getting popular nowadays. Let's go inside. Yeah. So this car just came in for paint protection. This is also XPEL?
Yeah, this is XPEL Ultimate Plus.
Oh, so this is XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection?
10-year warranty, even for discoloration as well.
10 years warranty? So it's on the hood, headlights, front bumper, the lower bumper, and the fender. It's really nice. I can't really tell the difference. They really did a nice job on this. Really seamless.
So you mold the film from outside and and you apply from inside.
Oh.
So a lot of people, they think that the film is from outside, but it's you just shape it from outside.
And then you take them out, and then you go inside and apply them.
This is not pre-cut. You're not going to use any any blades, anything like that.
Ah, interesting. Good to know. So what he's doing right now, he's shaping the tint films from the outside. He's not applying right now, but after he's done shaping it, he's gonna take the pre-cut films that cut from that machine over there to the inside and apply it inside without having to cut or trim. A lot of parts in here, it's hard to get to because of the slope of the rear window of Model 3. Look at how slope it is from the roof to here. Because a lot of cars, they're like this, right?
Yeah, it's mostly kind of flat now, so okay.
Yeah, it's really flat.
It's my favorite too.
Spatula? Nice. So you can do both, cooking and tinting. The rear window's done. The toughest part done. Looks great. So now you can see you don't see the separation of the top and the bottom window anymore. So they kind of blend in smoothly down here. It looks pretty dark from the outside, but let me show you the inside. It doesn't look that bad from the inside. So they have to remove this part. That's the speaker in the front. It used to be right there. So they can fully install the tint from the inside. So that's the window seal that they removed. So you're cleaning up the edge of the tint?
So we provided the film all the way to the edge of the factory.
So you then don't see a big separation between the tint films and the actual window. So all the tints that he's applying on my car right now are XPAL Prom XR. Look at the front windshield. Looks clear to you and me, but it's actually protecting up to 88% infrared heat from the sun and effectively blocks over 99% of the UV light. So usually the front windshield and the rear window are really expensive to install, but here at Socal Tint Shop, they will offer you a reasonable price with one of the best quality installation.
Hi, for the Tesla, we do have different option of film. This is the color stable. It will be reduced heat maximum up to 45% heat rejection, and any shade you pick will be for the same price. This one will run around $350 all the size in the back. And for the windshield, I most recommend will be 70%.
So $350 for if you want to install in Model 3.
You want these, but for Model 3, I would recommend to go with ceramic because of the rare, like windshield, outside rare windshield. We do have a special film for this in the nano ceramic. This is our most popular XR. Reduce the heat, still 88% heat rejection. Any shade you pick will be for the same price. And our top of the line XR Plus, you want to use the heat as much as you can. This one 98% heat rejection, and will run at $650 all the size in the back. And as you see, we do have a display that you can check it out, the heat rejection. This one, try it out, you can see how much heat you can feel. And the next one will be the color stable. You can feel it.
Yeah, a
Still
little
some
heat.
heat here, and this is the ceramic. When you go to the ceramic, you don't feel as much of the heat at all.
That's the one I got, right?
Yeah, especially for electric car, you want to use like a save as much as you can for the heat, so you can go a little bit.
Right.
The mileage saves some more.
Right, so you get more range. So you don't have to blast the AC out all the time.
Yes, exactly.
Keep your car cool. So this is G's Model 3 with a really cool matte gray wrap. It's really nice. So this is done. I think it took us a little bit less than, or took them a little bit less than 2 hours to apply and install everything. It's really nice and clean.
Socal Tint shop in Riverside. We on 2025 Chicago Avenue, Suite A1, just right off Chicago between Columbia and Spruce. Stop by, give us a call, and we can go over the details.
Okay, yeah, they're really great small shops, but the quality it's professional. You know, the installer have at least 20 years in experience, you know, before they open the shop. So if you guys around the area, I think, you know, this is worth trying. And after all, I did all the research, they have the most reasonable price around because everyone else just overcharged me. All right, thank you. So the tint is not only protect your car from the sun or keep the temperature inside of the car cooler than normal. It actually looks really good. And you know, on the white car with a darker tint, this is 15 all around with clear tint in the front, probably, you know, enough to keep the car cool and not having a battery try to cool itself and cool the cabin all the time. So that's it, guys. I'm back at home. The tint was done. It was a great tint. The installation was not that long, and the owner was really friendly. I would suggest, if you know you live in the area, Southern California, in Inland Empire area, so that shop's in Riverside. Just a disclaimer, they didn't sponsor this video. It's just my previous experience with them. I would, you know, highly recommend anyone that want to tint their Tesla Model 3, and that's hopefully help if you are looking for jobs to tint or suggestion to whether do the tint or not. I would suggest do the ceramic tint, so that would help temperature of the car to be more stable, so the car doesn't have to cool down so much and all the time when you park outside the sun. So thank you for watching today. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.